It wasn't until my early adulthood that I realized I wasn't alone. That there were other people out there that wanted the same things out of life. You know, I grew up in a suburban neighborhood with a little 500 square foot yard. I couldn't really explore nature and, you know, just run around free. Homesteading is really our only solution to take full responsibility for the things that we put in our bodies and the things that we surround ourselves with. But a lot of homesteaders say they're lonely because there's very few people that are actually going through the same struggles. Growing food is hard work. Starting a business, becoming self-reliant, isn't easy, but it's worth it. It was never just about learning new skills. It's about rising up together. It's about pursuing freedom and abundance together, because at the end of the day, we're all we've got. We're about to shake things up.